Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to edit your video from CapCut Video Editing today. From when you finish making your video till when you upload it, what you're supposed to do, how to split it, how to cut off your mistake, how to brighten your videos, and also how to apply effect, how to apply transition, and to make your video stand out. If this video is what you want to see, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on, tap the notification button so that when I post the next video, you will be able to see it. And also, if you're a newcomer, I welcome you to my channel. If you're my old subscriber, I give you a kudos. You have been a friend. You have been so supportive. Thank you for always supporting me. Let's dive into the video. I'm going to open my CapCut. I go to my CapCut. Then you come to new project. When you come to CapCut, you sign in or you sign off. Then you come to new project. I tap my new project. What does new project mean? New project means the video you want to start to work on, and when you tap it, it will bring you to this place. First thing you need to do is to go to you click on that import, then come into your inbox to look for the video that you want to use, the video you want to edit. See another one here. So I open this one. So when I've imported my video, and this is my video here. Then I've imported my video, and this is my video that I want to use for this lecture. Hello, this is my video I want to use for this lecture. Then you can see the volume, the way it sounds in today's video. Thank you. And I'm going to increase the volume. I'm going to make my volume more audible. Let's play it and see. I'm going to be teaching you how to do a edit. As you can see, the volume now and the volume I first play is not the same thing. The volume now is more louder than the first volume I use and record the video. Why did I put this volume first? I put this volume first because I don't want in a situation where after applying all my transition and everything, the video or I will start to apply volume one after the other. That is the reason why I apply the volume first. Then I come to this place that is cover. So any part of the video that I want to start first, I'm going to choose it from here. Any part of the video where if I want the video to start from here, I'm going to take this place that I want the video to start from and select from video, then it will start from there. But in the course of this video, I don't want to apply a cover because I want to use a YouTube thumbnail for the video. You come to this place. This place is pointer. Like as I'm pointing this place, yes, that is what this thing is meant for. This is pointer. Control A, or you tap Control B to split on your keyboard. How do you split your video? As you have already seen the pointer. So this is undo, which you can do Control Z or redo, which is control plus shift. See it here. When you point cursor there, you will see control plus shift plus Z. That is what you apply if you want a shortcut. If you want to use a shortcut, like me, I'm always using Control B on my video. I always use Control B to split. Like here now, it have splitted. Then I don't want it to split, so I'm going to say undo. Then, like I said, you use Control B to split, and to delete, if I split now and I want to delete it, either I press delete from my keyboard or I press delete here to delete the part I did not want to. So I'm going to go back because I don't want to split it for now. Undo. Always remember to press undo. Always remember to press undo, or you click Ctrl Z, or you click this place, or you press Ctrl Z to redo whatever you did and you don't know how manage you do it, because editing can be so tedious that you will be copying and be placing the wrong thing at the right place and be placing the right thing at the wrong place if you are not very careful, especially when your video is very very long. So when you're editing your video, make sure that you are very very careful that you don't make a mistake. This place, like I said, you will use it to delete, and this place you will use it to freeze a video. You use it to freeze. That freeze will come. I will show you how to do that with a video in my next episode. Even reverse, even mirror. If I want to mirror this video, I press this place. As you can see, it has come here. If I want to mirror it again, I will press it. It will come this other side. If I want to rotate the video, I can use this to rotate it. I can also use this to rotate it, or I can also do the rotation here. When you press here and press your right hand, press your right button mouse, then you scroll it, but it will rotate, but I don't want to rotate it, so let me return it to the right place. I'm going to do undo. I'm doing my undo to return it to the right position. You come here, you crop. Let's say part of the video I don't like, I can just crop it out, crop it out. But that's not what I want to do, so I'm going to close it. If you want or what you are saying to be showing here as you are talking and you want the right up to be showing here, what you do is you come to text, you go to auto generate caption, you click on auto generate caption. Is already in English and I'm telling you to generate, so you give it time to generate. As you can see, it have generated a caption, a write-up for us. Let's play it and see. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do a I don't want this video to be too long. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up if you get value. See you in my next video. Bye.